Post-harvest cleaning. To avoid the accumulation of algae and bacteria that can affect the plants, we recommend cleaning the garden after every harvest, complete or partial.
For post-harvest cleanup, you will need trash can or compost, plastic jug, microfiber cloth, brushes, cleaner.
Please note that your equipment may be from a different brand, but it is equivalent to the one presented here. Reversing the position of the valve on the tube connected to the water pump. Make sure the water pump and air pump are turned off and reverse the position of the valve on the tube connected to the water pump. Cleaning the net pots. Rinse all used net pots under tap water. Cleaning the upper section of the garden when an entire level of the garden is empty. Remove the lids and all roots from the troughs. In the empty troughs, use a microfiber cloth to push the remaining water towards the drain hoses. Using the cleaner and a microfiber cloth, clean the troughs and their lids. Cleaning the upper section of the garden when a level has partially been harvested. Lift the lids of the troughs to remove the roots you cut. Spray some cleaner on a microfiber cloth and clean the lids around the plants. Do not spray the plants with the cleaner. Emptying the reservoir.
Insert the tube, the one with the valve, in the 5-liter plastic jugs. On the electric box, turn on the switch for the pumps to position 1. The water should be coming out of the tube, the one with the valve, into the 5-liter plastic jug. When the jug is almost full, turn off the water pump to position 0 and empty the jug in the sink. Repeat until the water pump is not completely submerged. Then, remove the water pump, tubing, and air stone from the water tank in order to move it and empty the remaining water.
Cleaning the reservoir. With water, cleaner, and a brush, clean the reservoir. Rinse and put it back in place with all the different components inside it. Repositioning the valve to its initial position. Reverse the valve on the tube connected to the water pump.